Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Abiola. Today I want to show you how to achieve some jumbo, like proper jumbo knotless braids doing the crochet method. So I've got one at the back, started with this one at the back. From here, going this way, and I've got one here and one there. And same on the other side. Well, I've got three down the middle. Coat all the edges. I'm just going to brush it. So brush your edge control in, and then you're going to just braid it. Braid about an inch. Okay, so we're going to do the same for this one. So all done. Do remember when you, because you're doing this quite big, so make sure your braid or your the braid or the plait you do is in the middle. Don't put it too much to the side unless you want that braid there. So try and make it in the middle if possible. Okay, so now let's get into braiding. Okay, so we're doing the crochet method. This pack, you get 3 in a pack, and I'm gonna try and use like 1 for each braid. So just get the hair and then just get enough that you can fit onto your crochet pin. All right, so we're gonna start with this one right in front. So take your pin, latches open. Okay, pull it through.